Morning children of class 10th. Now we will do the numerical of the same chapter, chapter 1 force, exercise 1a, page 11. First numerical children, you see the moment of a force of 10 Newton about a fixed point O is 5 Newton meter. Moment of force 5 Newton meter. Force given 10 Newton. Calculate the distance of the point O from the line of action of the force. We have to calculate the distance. Now children, in my previous video I have told you about the moment of force. What is moment of force? Moment of force is equal to force into perpendicular distance from the line of action. So this is the formula. This I have given the formula. So put the value moment of force 5 is equal to force given 10 and into perpendicular distance, that is distance. So distance is equal to 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2, that is 0.5 meter. This is the answer. Now question number 3. Question number 3. A wheel of diameter 2 meter. See this figure. It is a wheel. It is of diameter 2 meter. So diameter it is given 2 meter. So what will be the radius? Radius will be 2 by 2, that is 1 meter. With axle at O, a force F is equal to 2 Newton. You see this force is acting in this direction. So children, you see this direction. See, I am showing the direction. This direction is clockwise direction. This I have explained. This direction is clockwise direction. The force is equal to 2 Newton. Is applied at B in the direction. Calculate the moment of force about the center O. What we have to find? Moment of force at O. Now direction I have told you clockwise. So formula F into D. What is your F? What is your force? 2. And what is the radius? Means 1. Just now we have taken out radius 1. So it will come 2. Now the unit, moment of force unit is Newton meter, and you have to tell the direction, that is clockwise. Second was moment of force about the point A. See, from here to here means this whole diameter will come. So moment of force at A. Again same direction, clockwise. From the figure this we have seen, formula F into D. What is your F? 2. And what is the distance? 2. Diameter, this whole they are saying till A. So 2 into 2, 4 Newton meter. This is the answer. Now next question. Question number 4 children. You see this question number 4. From your book only. See the diagram. The diagram shows two forces, F1 5 Newton, F2 3 Newton acting at a point A and B. Now what you have to find? You have to find the moment of force F1. So moment of force F1 about O. Formula we know force. Now see F1 about O. F into D. D the distance, perpendicular distance. So F1 into D distance. So what is your F1? F1 it is given over here 5. And see the distance from the figure, it is 2 meter. So it will come 10 Newton meter. Newton meter is the unit of moment of force. Now second part, this was your first part. Now second part, moment of force F2 about O. So moment of force F2 about O. Now same here, F2 force into distance. Force is this 3 and distance is 4. From the figure children, you see the 3 into 4. So it will come 12 Newton meter. Now the third part, the total moment of the two forces. So what you will say, total moment of the two forces. Now children, see the direction. Here this direction. What does this direction tell? This direction is clockwise. Now what you say? This direction is clockwise. This direction like this. It is going, I am making in the figure only. And this direction is going like this, anti-clockwise. They both are in the opposite direction. This is clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. So what you will do, you will minus, that is 12 Newton meter minus 10 Newton meter. So it will come 2 Newton meter. And what you will say, the direction will come clockwise. Understand? So now coming to the question number 5. Question number 5, again children, see this figure. Two forces each of magnitude 10 Newton. See here 10 Newton, here 10 Newton. Acts vertically upwards and downwards. This here vertically upwards and here downwards. Two ends A and B of the uniform rod of length 4 meter. Each is pivoted at its midpoint O. Length is of 4 meter. So children, you can see from it is of 4. So AO will be of 2 meter and OB also 2 meter. From the figure you see, what you have to find? You have to find the magnitude of the resultant moment of force about the point. Now children, we know, so distance here, what they have given the distance, you write it down. Distance of each force from O is equal to 2 meter. Just now in the figure also I have given. And now you see the direction, you see this direction, the force is coming in this direction, means clockwise, and this is also clockwise. In the figure only children I am making, so direction is clockwise moment. So now what you will say here, moment of force, the first in this, so what you will say, force, this 10 into 2, this distance is 2, 20 Newton meter. Now moment of force along OB is same thing, this 10 into 2, that is 20 Newton meter. Now what you have to find? Resultant moment of force is 20 plus 20, that is 40 Newton meter. Children, now I am giving for the homework. These are the assignment. These questions you have. Now children, this assignment I have given, question number 2, question number 6, 7 and 10. These numericals, you do it in your register, and children, if you have any problem, you can ask. Thank you children.